sharing your days and your nights, burning up as we get it right. My all time, ooh. Dreaming of a dream, holding on to you, fairy tale, no. Your freckles put a smile across my mind. I can't think. Show me your darks and days. Take me all the way. Waking up by my side, sharing your days and your night.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to Jemonica K. Thank you all for clicking on this video, and if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment and like this video. So I am back with another vlog. This is gonna be like a chill vlog, pretty much like majority of the vlog. In this vlog, I'm doing like a lot of cooking. I think that's pretty much it. I don't remember because a lot of times I just pick the camera up and whatever it is that I'm doing, I bring you all along with me. That's my low if y'all hear some noise in the background. Y'all know for some reason, every time I cut this camera on, here he come. He want to be in the vlog. You want the family to see you? Look, say hey y'all. Look, say hey to the family. Say hey y'all. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog today. I know majority of you know that I am getting ready to go on a girls trip. If you don't know, I'm getting ready to go on a girls trip. So I kind of been packing here and there for the girls trip. I've been recording a little bit so you all can just see what I'm packing and all of that stuff. I'm starting pretty early with packing because I don't want to be rushing, you know, packing up stuff, forgetting stuff. So I kind of just been sitting stuff on my desk over here and in the book bag, in the suitcase. So I've been doing that, just get my stuff together. As you can see, I don't have to comb my hair. Milo, would you stop? I have me a little messy bun today. What you ladies know about that messy bun? So if you hanging out in the house, not really going anywhere, just cleaning here and there, you throw that messy bun in there because I just want to give my edges a break from pulling, you know, my hair into that ponytail. So I just kind of have me this messy bun where some is sticking out, you know, so I'm not pulling and all of that stuff. I did want to answer a few of you all's questions. I've been having, you know, some of the new family members over here asking a few questions because I do know that I have a lot of new subscribers on this channel. And if you hear me say on this channel, I do have another channel with my husband, Meech and Monica. So I do know some of you just, you know, was scrolling on YouTube and then my channel popped up. So you really don't know a lot about me. I have been getting a lot of questions as far as, you know, what's going on with you. I hear you saying you have somebody to take you somewhere. Majority of the times I may mention Dylan taking me places or my husband taking me places, or if I'm waiting on somebody to take me somewhere, and just saying different things. And so a lot of you have asked questions as to, you know, what's going on with me. I have epilepsy. And so when you have epilepsy, that means you basically, it's other stuff that comes with it, but you basically are having multiple seizures. And you can't drive anywhere. You have to be 6 months seizure free, and then you can start back driving. It really depends on what the doctors say, you know, because you can go 6 months and still, you know, feel some type of way, still kind of feel off. It affects your memory. It affects, you know, a lot of things. And the medicine, you know, the side effects from the medicine, it affects things too. I will do a lot of vlogs from home. So that's why you see me at home a lot and doing stuff from home. At first, when I, you know, started back posting on this channel, I was just like kind of lost as to what type of content I was going to put up, because I'm just like, I'm just at home. Like, it's not, you know, exciting. It's not anything exciting about me being at home. So I just want to tell you all that I really appreciate all of the love that you all give me on the channel, despite me being at home all of the time. You all really support my channel and show me love and enjoy the videos that I post on this channel. You all have me excited about a lot of the content that I post. And like I said, it's just my day-to-day. It's just what I do at home. On my down days, I really don't post because I'm like, don't nobody want to see me, you know, in my pajamas or just kind of laying around and all of that stuff. I do want to get into getting my fall stuff out. I am so excited about fall. I was talking to somebody today on the phone and they was like, you really about to get your fall stuff out and it's not even August yet? And I said, yes, I am, because I love fall decor. And it just put me in this cozy mood, and especially the evening time when the sun has gone down and all of that. Listen, if you want to put your fall stuff up in June or July, you can. Why? Because it is your house. So I'm going to, when I get back from the trip, I'm going to have my husband get all of my fall decor out, and we will start putting fall stuff together, meaning me and you all. I want to get into making like the door hangers. So I have been looking up different tutorials. So I'm going to get into doing that. We're going to do that. I've been waiting on certain pieces when fall come in. So I think majority of the stores have a lot of fall decor out. So we are going to go to Hobby Lobby and look at some fall decor. And I'm going to get pieces that I need to start on the door hangers. I am excited about that. And don't forget, we have to finish the office area. But like I said, give me a little time with that, because I have some other things that I am trying to figure out with the office. And then there's some other videos that I want to put up with you all before I start on the office. So it's coming. It's coming. I just have some videos already recorded that I want to get out. But anyway, that's enough talking. I really appreciate each and every one of you all for hanging out with me in these videos, for leaving such positive comments, for showing me so much love in the videos. Now, let's get into this video, y'all.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now? 'Cause I don't know, sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. And just to keep it away, no, yeah. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. And just to keep it Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but then one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see you're healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it, told me like 100 times out loud, making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been there for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away, no. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Oh, make you move before someone takes your place. I know how you feel, but you're scared to say to my face. I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show. Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from